Managing campaigns for 15 client locations shouldn't take 15 reports. Here's how smart agencies skip the chaos and deliver the big picture performance view their clients demand, all in one place. If you're managing a franchise account or any client with multiple locations, you already know the chaos of combining data from multiple locations into a single comprehensive view. Campaign data is everywhere, but clients want one report that shows it all. It's easy to lose control, and it's even easier to burn time you don't have. That's why we built roll-up reports and dashboards to help agencies bring it all together. Instead of building multiple reports or dashboards for dozens of locations, you create one view that shows what's working across the board and where to dig deeper. Let me show you how it works. To set up a roll-up dashboard, start inside your AgencyAnalytics account. Click Dashboards, then Add Dashboard. Once created, you'll enter the dashboard editor. For each metric, pick Rollup to aggregate data for up to 50 clients, all in one widget. As you build, each widget loads data in real time, so you can see KPIs like total conversions, average CPL, or location-level traffic across all locations or clients. Here's what Taylor Queen at The Marketing Machine says.
We organize our dashboard by assigning each retainer client with a specific campaign. AgencyAnalytics allows us to compare data with the click of a button.
Now to create a roll-up report view. Go to Reports, click Create Report, then pick Roll-up Report. Choose the clients you want to include. This could be individual locations or groups of locations. Next, choose your layout, a slide deck if you're presenting, or document report if it's for detailed review. Then give it a title and enter the report editor. Customize the report and set it to deliver automatically. Here's how Ryan Gross at Local Leap Marketing puts it.
The weekly reports land in their inbox like clockwork, no chasing us down or logging into a dozen platforms. It's all there in one place. And they've told us it makes them feel in control and confident about what we're doing for them.
With roll-up reports and dashboards, you're doing more than just organizing data in a way that makes sense for your clients. You're taking back control. Aggregate key metrics across multiple clients instantly, whether that's franchise locations, regional branches, or client groups. Track trends and compare outcomes side by side, all in one dashboard. No spreadsheets or workarounds. And most importantly, match your reporting to how your clients operate. That's how you deliver clarity and confidence at every level. Want to see how this works for your agency? Book a demo today and see how to scale franchise reporting without the burnout.